Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Lag in MLB The Show 24 can totally ruin your gaming experience, but there are some really simple fixes you can try right now. Step 1. First thing you want to do is close any background applications running on your console. This includes streaming apps, web browsers, and any other games that might be using your internet or processing power. Just go to your home screen, find what's running, and close it completely. Step 2. Next up, restart your router and modem. Unplug them both for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and wait for them to fully boot up. This clears the connection and often fixes lag issues immediately. It sounds simple, but it works for a lot of people. Step 3. Check your internet connection speed. You want at least 10 megabits per second for smooth online play. Head into your network settings, run a speed test, and if you're below that, try moving closer to your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 4. Clear your console cache by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it completely shuts down. Wait 30 seconds, turn it back on, and launch the game. This refreshes your system memory and removes temporary files causing performance issues. Step 5. Finally, lower your in-game graphics settings. Switch to performance mode rather than quality mode, reduce the frame rate cap if available, and turn off any unnecessary visual effects. These settings make a huge difference in online gameplay and reduce input lag significantly.